This recipe is my absolute best recipe for a sponge cake. It's extremely airy and light, and that's even though it contains no eggs or dairy. It's 100% vegan. It's even completely gluten-free and refined sugar-free. If you want to know how you can make this too, then stick around. And if you like the recipe, be sure to give me a like or leave a comment. I would really appreciate that.